Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So have you been thinking about what elegant outfit you want to wear? Do you need ideas? Well, you're in luck because today we're talking elegant outfits. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so have you been thinking about elegant outfits? Are you looking for ideas? Do you have somewhere you need to go? Do you just want to go outside and just look elegant? Well, I'm going to be sharing some elegant outfit ideas with you. The first tip or elegant outfit idea I have are monochromatic outfits. With a monochromatic outfit, you will not fail. So if there's one thing that I would recommend that you take out of this whole entire video, if you can't do anything else that I mentioned, one thing you will be able to do is put together a monochromatic outfit. This is very easy. The thing that I would definitely recommend is just sticking to colors that are pretty similar. So if you're going for the black, try to keep your blacks the same shade of black. Like, don't wear a faded black and a more black outfit. Try to keep your blacks as similar as you possibly can. So monochromatic outfits are elegant because they're simple, they're clean, they're tasteful, they're just classy outfits. So here I'm going to share a picture of a black on black monochromatic outfit and a white on white monochromatic outfit, just to show you that it doesn't necessarily always have to be black on black. It can be white on white as well. The only thing I would change in the black on black outfit is maybe button up the top or the blouse a little higher. I would not button it down so low. However, look how sleek, clean, tasteful, and classy this outfit is. And with the white on white outfit, what I love about this outfit is, one, yes, it's a monochromatic outfit. She has all white on, but I love the turtleneck look. Like myself right now, I have on this black turtleneck with a black blazer, and you can't really see, but I have on some black pants. Just going for that elegant look with a monochromatic outfit. So with this white outfit, I love that she has a turtleneck on. I love that the turtleneck has this beautiful flaring at the arm. I think this gives a little extra detailing in her top, but it's definitely not too much. And the trousers, in them being flared out, it gives a more elegant vibe. I love this look. I love that it's monochromatic, but I love how the little bit of detailing made such a difference in their outfits. The second elegant outfit tip or idea would be a white top with blue jeans. So the key when wearing white tops and blue jeans when you're going for a more casual, elegant look is staying away from white t-shirts. Yes, white t-shirts are casual, but they're not a casual, elegant look. When going for a casual, elegant look, you want to use a silk top, maybe a turtleneck, and then when pairing it with your blue jeans or maybe even black jeans, you want to stick with jeans that do not have rips in them, which I did mention in my video on things elegant ladies never wear. To complete this outfit, I would pair the white silk top with some blue, preferably dark blue jeans, with, if you're going for a more dressy casual look, I would say pair them with some black pumps. If not, then I would say maybe some black Chanel flats. If you don't have black Chanel flats, some regular black simple flats. Don't choose flats that have too much going on. Remember, elegance is simple. The third elegant outfit tip or idea are skirts. So if you want to look elegant, you can wear skirts. I'm not saying only wear skirts, but you can wear skirts. If you're someone who only wears skirts, then my tip for you when wearing a skirt is just making sure that you have the proper length skirt. I would say to try to make sure that your skirt is at least knee length. If it's going to come up a little bit, maybe an inch higher. You want to be careful with skirts that are too short. Have I seen people pull off some elegant looks with shorter skirts? Yes, but they're very hard to pull off. In this video, I'm trying to share things that are very simple, very easy to pull off if you're going for an elegant look. So for example, an elegant outfit using a skirt would be this outfit right here. So she has on a black satin skirt, but see where that skirt hits? This is a perfect length. So she has it paired with a beige turtleneck, and I would probably pair this with some black heels or some black thigh-high boots. Make sure that they're up higher though. This would give a more sleek, clean, fresh, elegant look. Fourth elegant outfit tip or idea are comfy clothing. So yes, you can pull off elegance with comfort. So I like to categorize this as comfy elegance. For example, we have Hailey Bieber here. She has on my tip, which was number 1, monochromatic outfits. But what she decided to do was pair monochrome or all beige, all tan with comfort. So this looks more like loungewear. So I would recommend that you do a more, yes, you can do fitted loungewear, but something that's a little looser, and pair it just like Hailey has it on here. Tuck that front in a little bit, have it flow out in the back with nice pants that match your top. Throw on some mules, and maybe you can pair it with a Celine belt bag or maybe even the Givenchy Antigona handbag. If you pay close attention to Hailey's outfit, one thing that I find definitely pulls an elegant outfit together are black sunglasses. And when I say black sunglasses, you want them to have even the handles on their side to be black. So I don't mean like black frames with the silver on the side. No, you want the whole thing to be black. You can go oversized. You can wear the exact size of your face. You just want your sunglasses to be all black, and that just pulls your entire elegant outfit together. You can do this with comfy elegance. You can wear these sunglasses with a full-on business suit, have your hair middle part sleeked back, and it just, I don't know, this screams elegance to me. The fifth and final elegant outfit tip or idea that I want to share with you guys are dresses, or the use of dresses if you're someone who enjoys wearing dresses. Once again, I want you to remember that elegance is simple and tasteful. So if you're going to work, to a party, or just a casual outing, you want to make sure that you're not showing too much. Elegant women show just enough. For example, look at this dress. Simple and elegant. Throw on some black heels, slick back ponytail, and off you go. You could spice this outfit up a little bit with some black sunglasses like I mentioned, but that's only if that's a kind of look that you would enjoy. Okay everyone, hope you found this video helpful. Like I mentioned, if there's anything that you can take away from this video, it's pairing monochromatic outfits very simply, very elegantly. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe down below. Please remember to be kind to yourself, love yourself, also be kind to others, as you never know what anyone else is going through. Walk in peace and joy. Until next time.